program makha chatharakpa oina Honorable MLA Sri Pukram Sarchandra Singh IAS retired pu ngasigi thorom siga mari lainana wafam khara thambirana baning singjari
yamna tenna thamjage my learned scholars and resource persons Dr. Anand aduga mangdaling sin biriba agi nuksijara ngasigi delegate sing it's a very fulfilling exercise ngasigi akoina toriba workshop asi ai aduk yamna optimistic oirude ismaina mayam si yamna seriously participate toguni habisi khallude but now I realize yes there is a commitment akogi marak sida afabo ehenning bagi adu malanmi yamna leire habise adugi realization dune ngasi fangjari besi I got a teacher down there ma question hangba hanghodre adu warubi ganu it's because of the time constraint and mathang diwang angbado ina yobi you tell me we are going to have a series of such exercise asumba torok pakanda wangang bagi ready with you may be one of the resource persons adu hajiki ananna haikibatuda because I will not be into NEP gidi akang hai mayam na haigraba matungda aina haibadu maybe little out of place aina yam hena khang banatrabanina but I wish I was a teacher I was aware madi ai suke yam na ngai ramani haibadu kakti khali ado ananna haikibatuda computer literate oidaba 50% teachers lady school lamada hajikti technology ki juk sida haitabadi yararoi haiba madugi compulsion nama mana thamam dabasu natre aina sum khanjabadadi computer haitabasidi haining dadana natraga ki badagini computer si ki ba yawri ba koi marak sida maji karmain tawdur no gain tawrakan ko but once you are with you your child or grandchild of 3 years will tell you how easy it is to handle computer sahi honge angang computer games ta sanarabane bajiki matam se that is why national education policy 2020 says that education has to start with the 3-year-old child sahi honge angang dagi hanadi sahi mangagi khalam mitaruk ki khalam meba ado hajikti sahi ohum dagi lerek tamaladom ne hare is it is because of that adana aikoi chahi ahungi angang na 100 questions a day parents ta soidara hanganguneba and you should be ready to answer those questions very inquisitive mind ne makoi na tawra iba potse ado laishu gi matang da this beautiful thing when we talk about laishu our language aikoi gi word masi is about morality akoi obligation aikoi gi duty sigi pot mayam sigi pot si lakpa kanda aina ningsing jaba amakaktang because my sister yam nuksiba yam a resourceful person that's why I have chosen her sida lakpiu aduga singang bio adu mangonda ma haidu chumme but aina tang phone to bakanda masi phangkidaba aduna ni mana time su phajana phangkidaba otherwise he is very powerful and resourceful person adu lai sugi matang sida ai example the sumpi jageba because you were very serious for 3.5 hours yam net masida education policy da ngawra lero ni kok tu yar marwe bam ta duna khara relax to si aigi ojama when I was a student in the university aigi oja Dr. Venkatarao had is international fame name se he was a bachelor and that time he was already 60-65 ko lai tang ngawra ga leiba PhD gi matakta lari haiban ni pa do oja khoi se leyam hairaba ngaktani se family se moidagi en hairena lobai na matam dum because he was so dedicated and committed to the cause of education and learning adigi pot da mangonda aikoina satra oina sum loina rakpasida mana class loading eda aina hayaba sum noina haining ba mayam se hoji haiba dumaina noina haining ba karike legi hayu edana mana am frankly haiba kanda aina mangonda sir nangi cycle aman bado angtang sindo o hairureba I told him marandi magi cycle se lagpase 1.5 kilometer away from that place mana lakpa matam da mai cycle je ke and mai makong chin ot pakanda paidal do ot pakanda makhun tayeba aduna nang ahal loire warani ekona di good sense ta hairu bane adu da mana hairisi Mioi bana yung kay pandana nupa nupi lay na basibu ahal loirakan sindok na brahiri in mana. He told me like that. Also, that is about laishu. Aikoi gi commitment ko, aikoi gi dharma haibatare ko si port sima. Aduga at the same time about ngasai gi oja singi duty gi kari gi matang da kui be managa suppalli oja sing loim pan grido. And that guy ngasi gi Dr. Rao say he knew that I was very serious about my learning ko. I lek tam basima thawai yawi si khang badagi. He would come to my hostel. By aziki bicycle makon thok pudo thawra kanda igi hostel sidala aga ma lapna lak pasai tare but that point of time. Aina hostel dugi veranda the lairinge matanda masi get he stopped at the veranda road to side to the Phamakanda. I see la o edna mana igi hostel du the labor mogi chokidar torga thador akanda. That matam nadu da mana magi manuscript haibetare man iba political theories haiba masigi manuscript se published tawdring da magi manuscript to engonda pirameba printed manuscript engonda mana piram makanda you read it madam he knew that I was targeting something I karimba khara tawgi haibagi wakal makak cheles ma khangbuduna phong dribble rik to engonda aigi naktala kana mana thila kana nangna pabul or kana pira o hedna pirameba because political theories any theory for that matter theory ni heraga dikhara sum nungaitaba ikoida conceptually clear oidabagi awaba but mana tawbasi theory si just like walk the talk haidoi koina ngasi nangna sum nganga di madu thabak oin pangtho haibani walk the talk hairisi admain to the theory si mana adugi bate ikoida lai hal level aduna yamna material loiba moong the moina ikoina puthoga ma tamanba ngami. Then again ngasai koi higher secondary lecturer madam amana hangkibado that's what is a beautiful question. I koi karamaina prepare togadori no haiba question silak pakanda Second World War khangde, First World War khangde, any war for that matter, battlefield the lakpakanda, you are a soldier, you have to find your own solution. You cannot read the books. I iman nabasina nongmai kapa kanda di international law the kari hairi galeba magaleba mai mari sena lek pa ba yad bani na you have to find the way out and then firefighting to buta bani haina dom the khanbira. That's my answer. Ado technology ki matang asai akogi yam phajana panbi ki ba oja sing yawbudo. In fact ngasi gi leriba panel se more or less my choice ngakna ina mayam da kogi sigi warriors hai tare sigi organize to na bahut darak pada yamna phajana to gi ba kangbu kogi yam commitment yauna even ai brother mamang da phami moina to gi kanda ina pinpoint to eba look I found some teachers yamna hai singba committed oi ba no memi oi khara ina thengnei ne masi noi ongtang khallo na random selection ama to bakanda all 5 of them si loin song thor eba do ai gi choice tu ga moi gi choice tu ga chanaki aduna technology ki matang si lakpa kanda Sri Krishna na Mahabharat ta ga yauriba sigi mana landa Mahabharat ki battle daga thokri basi koina panaba matamda mana poki basi chahi lising manga ga chani yangkhaini thoigi mamang da poki banebo Choran amasi chahi cham kun manga hingam medana adwaina haini ado madudaina sum Sri Krishna pusile sidate nataba chahi lising manga dagi manga da pokpa mana Mahabharat ki lan thengnaba Arjun gi pilot oiba matam se sagol thoba matam sida masi chahi marfu mapan gum sure hai Sri Krishna se aduda masi chakram sinadra Sudarshan chakra hebra praloi tobangamba mana loi nangamba the missile kapaga chapmane at that point of time 5,000 years back there was already a chakra that can destroy the enemies to adu bordi masi ki technology ki port se amamang dagi hauna lermena again Ramayana aikoi gi samudra pan thing bada yong mayam na tawri hai poto it was not a natural stone natteba 21st century the thengnari ba makal ki challenges mayam si aikoina masida aikoina karamaina thengna sige na khanba kanda aina mayam da thamjening wadi we say that we belong to 21st century aikoi ngasi se aikoi tang kuntra January ki 2021 ki numit se Delhi desu oiri Burma desu oiri Japan desu oiri Korea desu oiri advanced countries desu same date we are living together 21st century ki tarik amakakta leminari ba but the reality is ay wakal da kan jabe wani ko we belong to different centuries We say that we belong to the same century, but in reality we belong to different centuries. Artha mayam kangbiramani. Aduna masigi port se masi lakpa matam sida challenge se, it's a question of bridging the gaps. Aikoi ga amaga gi civilization amaga society amaga gi marakta masida khenariba mayam se karmain torakanda khujil halakadage pixel halakadage bridge togadaba differences leriba masigi gap mayam se aikoi munna kanana bohona batabani. As parents, as teachers, I think I say hajaba sahi ohungi angang na 100 questions hangadori bado 100 answers I koi karmaine pigadage haibase I koi madugi damta prepared to see aduna hojikti local issue haiba local problem haiba local concern haiba portse hojik taseng badi meaningless or irrelevant or everything is today global or international. Handak India ga China ga khanari baport to the khanaba yaru have say prithvi leba kudimana hera kandamo ni stop to bangami like that. To aduna hojikti everything is international, is global. Environmental issue khara the jagam the lebak mayam si Juko Valley mai thaba kanda ton basi ki koi badal leri mayam singa to loinamak effect togani. Delhi the mi gari thobangam daba mai khu chendana kari tawdana sigi weather condition da deteriorate to hari se akoi badal leba mayam duna mai thaba charu mai thaba amama mai thaba mayam duna torkanda Delhi da leba praja mayam se loina so ibaduni asmain to dana koi leiri report sida koi global challenge mayam se koi punna kramena thengnagadage haiba matang se lakpa gande there is a question of pulling the brain say makoi na haiba se aigi kok mayam se loinamak se koi punjin batabani. That is why we are today thinking about or practicing taseng namak thabak oina pangtho ise telemedicine. I question that pung kun mari gi matam sida khara amana nungthin noiba khara amana nungdang oiba kan sida koi sai da nungthin noiba matam da ai koina thabak suraga songi nungdang oidana lehu matam moina pothari nge matam da in information se fit to gre data se furnish to gre nongala kan dai namu sida potha ba matam sida moi morning amu oira kan da all that I have sent to them in ma koi da pigi ba feedback mayam do information mayam do moina process to kan da that applies. To asigi port se lakpa matam sida aduna nei na ngasai gi brain mayam si pulak punjin dragadi hojikti country ama kakna tobi arroi China ga Japan ga si enemies ni historically makoi si enemies ngaktene ba Japan si am chawkhaling matam da China na khara hantaring matam da yamna open nei ba exploitation mayam ama khak togi ba abuse of rights ka si Japan gi kangbusi ne yam togi ba aduna moi sworn enemies oidna amaga magi yanadadana leibase hojikti China realizes that aikoi English yaudradhi aikoi gi universe ngasi gi universe asida di ngasi gi world asida di aikoi si mayam go lamba to bada limitation khara le ne kanda tongan ba moi gi province khara da makoi si English ki moi gi groom to go to ba mioi sing se English thoina tamalle ba ado resource na kanada gi draw to wi Japan lom de gi draw to kan nak na bani na dbai na ga to ho ba China de ga to ri se aduna si port si lakpa kanda India sila ngasi aikoi to go do ja koi gi purpose di we are next 10 years tanga sai sida ojana thambi ki bodo sei tara sigi matung dai koi se world power in emerge tor kadori se asi portion aduna koi Singapore naga from a third world to the first world gaidana Lee Kuan gi matam da ma matandana single handedly rule toba dum Singapore na yamna chawkhat tabale ba oram bedagi over a period of 20-30 years da prithvi gi taruk subale ba ka oira edana tori report se India ki advantage is some analysis toba kangbu singna yam phajana moina piba matam da the advantage of India is ngasai gi younger age group tu ma ojana ngasai phajana haibi gre thambi gre young population haribo group se masi gi advantage du gi matakta we have democracy leitaba mafam da freedom pidaba magi human rights respect to the mafam da sokot pe yaroi mayam du gi maduga soibe yamna legani and English speaking country India se prithvi gi manung da adam apanda leriba America da leba England da leba mi singsina makoi gi masagi mother tongue oina masagi language oina ngangjabagi wani is not that they are better than us so far English is concerned aduna ekoi gi mi singna hen English hey edana makoi khange ba they realize that aduna India se after 10 years the prithvi gi number 1 oibiya bagi or at least superpower mo oibiya bagi advanced country mo oibiya bagi madigi molding mood to the layer here is shaping how re hari report says because we have democracy we have
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ English speaking person se yam phajana leiba du nation ni and aduga China gi masi ngasi yamnadi powerful oire hairiba port se magi enemies na pungkoi koi greba world se ngasi de China se and ngasa hande ki corona gi pandemic sina mukka he na China da choba blow musu peak greb asi China si almost isolate to baga chap mandare why China gi policy si da magi neighbor sing si loina khana thoe China fights against India, China fights against Japan, China fights against South Korea, China fights against Indonesia, China fights against Taiwan and Hong Kong. So therefore, ado America si China ka khanare ko hana Europe ka competition torombo China yausil le adu China ka khana thokre then again Europe na su China pamsil laktre Smain torka na mayam sin kai torge hajikti investment ba ngasai resource ki matang de madam na then ako ida hangak pa kadai de resource no kadai de paisa lei dui no ga haina haigri mayam je now the moving circumstance hojik lai ba port se kari no bo India da hojik te America gi company su tongan balai bak sing gi company mayam je su loi na investment se China da tororo e koi loi na block torani tok tho ani haidan ai koi India da investment je akpa phang na sangsil akanda tauba horakreba aduna masi India gi economy da madugi change amaka yam chawna lakani hairiba port se ekoina khangnariba port se and finally again we have freedom of religion one religion na rule tauba aduma country na teba ekogi se aduma yamna secular oiba magi free faith mana pamjaba dharma gi magi pamjaba do chatpa kanda athingba thamdaba aduma country neba so that's why India is stepping in that mawong adu dai koi se laibani and finally India gi magun se India gi power se India gi future se karidam hangala ka de bo America khang de ate the international company gi saukat laba adugumba technology the based of organization punamak sigi makok se majority se Indian macha nga to oithokre so therefore they love their country India si makoi ni yeng bawre they look back aduna India da makoi mateng pangba hore aduna ikoi resource ki damakta ikoi waganosi soidana makki ikoi madugi we look forward next 10 years India is going to be a very powerful and advanced country aduna aroibada aina mayamda thamjening base we are sitting here except me or one couple of persons sida leiba punamak se all intellectuals ikoi yam academic oiba mayam gi gathering sida aina noi jabase ikoi intellectuals are not supposed to remain shy ikai rakanda aigi responsibility low roy then leito akanda thambe roy and one of my senior officers told me about 10 years back aingonda hairam base Mr. Sarat aikoi leibak amagi saukhot padane thinthabase tappase masi awat pa mayam ma leibase karam matam de leba am suffer toni haiba matam da when the intellectuals shy away from their responsibility narik lai suhaiba gyan taraba adumba missing aduna leibak ki poni sarkar gi poni ai gi natte hedna leithoktana leikrabordi leibak ado karamaina sengani hebese madigi wakpolon se mana engonda phajana pirami but fortunately teaching education ki matang silak matam da HRD ki matang human resource ki matang da ngasai ye father koina ga high kriba suma mayam si port silak matam da this is all about there is one profession oja singh profession sidi kari no har kanda pi bangak to wergal rameba enjoy giving and it's in giving the world will progress noi mayam sina gyan mayam se koi gangang sing sida oja sing na pibi ro matam do the only profession which is 100% giving ai port se oja ki profession khaktane ba adugi giving se masigi sida ikoina with a sense of se purpose aitare koi honesty of purpose honesty of purpose aina tori bai thau se ai masi thau phajana pangtok kani haiba madugi virtue do ngakna se labordi ikoi soidana maki ikoi ngasi ikoina deficit area mayam ama leri port se ikoi overcome toba ngangani adana ikoi transform to the society se resolution is not enough progress is not enough we have to transform complete change amaka aikoi masi porakpata bani transform tawdori badidi kadai dano society da economy da education da and anything for that matter aduma mayam se koi transform aikoi tawbagi port se lakpa matam da aikoi yamna phajana thabak si paikhat si edana haibatar bordi atai upai lete it is you my teachers help us, save our country, lead us, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ forward moving progressive country ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯁꯦ ꯈꯟꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯦꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ it's not me. Yes, I have a responsibility, but your responsibility is greater than that of mine. ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯗꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯁꯨꯕꯅ with a folded hand again ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯁꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯦ next 10 yearsꯗ the best and the most powerful advanced country ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯁꯤ and at the same time it's not the last ngasi akoina pullibase it's not going to be the last it's a beginning akoi amukka maybe another 2 months akoi ngasi dagi from now amukka akoi we are going to take up another very very important and critical agenda akoi asumba workshop sida akoi pukalaka dori oja rajmonda dai share tawjarabani we are ngasai sustainable development goals edani be mana haikiba 17 goals leibani ga hariba port sida akoi Loktak haribase Manipur ki context the Himalayan bise Loktak wetland and in the context of environment with a focus on Loktak wetland ekoi amukka ekoi workshop togani we would sincerely invite all of you to join us in that endeavor come prepared and let's contribute whatever we can adu torakanda ekoi masi yamna chawkhatpa leibak am ohenbada oja sing nai khoi bulamjing biu harakanda punamakna mafam sida lakpirakanda ngasigi event se yamna meaningful ohenba purposeful ohenbi gi damakta isforna